Hi, welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about what is Lambda architecture in the data processing world. In data processing world, we have two types of architecture. One is Kappa architecture and one is Lambda architecture. So I have already provided a video about what is Kappa architecture, and that video link is there in the description box of this video. You can just refer. And today I am going to explain you only what is Lambda architecture is all about. Okay. And I'm going to give you some example with respect to big data stack, and the reason is these type of Lambda, Kappa architectures are it's there for a long time, but it's been very famous after this big data entered into picture. Okay, and then if you see here, when we say Lambda architecture for data processing, if you see in data processing we have two subtypes of data processing. One is batch processing and another one is stream processing. So stream processing means live data, live processing, whereas batch data is just opposite to it, where the data is not live and your job is not in real time. I can give you an example, but I already uploaded a video difference between batch and stream, and that is also there in the description box. You can just watch that video as well. So when you swipe your ATM card, you are getting an SMS, right? So that means which is stream data, stream processing. So you are giving a stream data by swiping your ATM card. Immediately that record is processed by the bank and it's immediately giving you the output in stream. Whereas batch processing is all about your data will be get stored somewhere and then it will be get processed and then only it will be get displayed as an output for you. So in stream processing, whereas if one record comes, the process will get start immediately, whereas in batch processing, a complete input should be read by the processing engine and then only your processing will be get started. For example, downloading your historical bank statement by end of the 1 month or week is a batch processing, right? It's not a real-time data or a real-time processing. So here, in my project, I want to do both type of processing, which is batch and stream. Just imagine that way. So I'm having a stream data, an input data. So I will just pass my input data first to my batch layer and then parallelly to my stream layer as well, because I want to do both batch and stream for the same input. So here what I do, so I just retrieve the stream data, I will store it somewhere first in the batch layer, and then I will be doing a batch processing, and then the output of the processed data will be again stored in a DB, and then this data will be queried by my end users or by my downstream people. Means downstream is all about to the people who I give data, so they can run some queries and they will be getting from here. And same stream data I am just processing in my stream layer, and then I am just storing it, or directly I can send it as a stream output. As I told you the example, when you swipe your ATM card, you are getting in the SMS as stream output, right? The same way I can even store it, or I can even send the output in streams. Again, the user will be querying from here if they want to get the data. Now if you see here, imagine I'm having 100 records as a stream data which comes, and what happens when I send here? So all the 100 data I'll be sending to the DB. Once completed, the input is completely transmitted, and then only I'll be doing the batch processing. Whereas in stream it's not like that. So first the stream input is it's giving 7 records for me, and this 7 records will be processed immediately. So out of 100, I'm first getting 7 records, means that will be get processed immediately. Then again I'm getting some 20 records, and that will be get processed immediately. Whereas in batch, all 100 record has to be get arrived to a place, and then only you can able to do batch processing. But in stream it's not like that. So the technologies that I can relate as an example for you in big data world. So for batch layer we use Hadoop and Spark, where you can do batch processing, and Hadoop is only for batch. And whereas in stream layer you can still use Spark. Spark supports both batch and stream, and then Storm is a technology that exists in big data where it can do only stream processing. And for data retrieval, and that too in stream, so we use a technology called Kafka. So Kafka comes under a data pipeline tool, and we call it as an MQ, messaging queues. But I'm just giving the example, technology example with respect to Lambda architecture in big data. But whatever technology that you work and you think this Lambda architecture is something you can fit, you can use your tech names under this batch layer and stream layers in the data retrieval as well. It's up to you. So thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com. As I told you, I have a video for Kappa architecture, and then I have a video for what is the difference between batch and stream, and that link I have shared in the description box. You can just refer it, and I have given my LinkedIn URL and my Instagram URL in the description box. You just follow us and then contact me through that. So if we have any workshops or events, we will be informing to you via that. And we provide a lot of tech videos in English and Tamil, but not only the theory, we have practical videos as well, like programming languages, database, cloud computing, and so many other stuff. You just go to my channel and have a look. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks.